Good thoughts are their lives to be respected everywhere, as billions want to see their reality. A better timeline, similar to this hopefully. I get my boots on and get to the donkey sanctuary. Peaceful and wonderful. Their braves like an alarm, they are unique. Say hello, good day, good sleep. Don't get too talkative, I know feeds their narrative. Their matriarch hears a car backfire. Safe